Ooh, something's buzzing.
I'm Bob Myers. I'm the editor-in-chief of the Springer Encyclopedia of Sustainability, Science, and Technology. And I'm here in the Amazon rainforest. Now, the Amazon rainforest, it's a natural wonder of the world. 20% of the fresh water in the earth flows through the Amazon rainforest to the Amazon River and supplies 20% of the fresh water. In addition, from 10 to 25% of all animal species are found in the Amazon, and this Amazon rainforest, with all the tall trees and the vegetation, sequesters 100 gigatons of carbon dioxide equivalent to aid in the mitigation of climate change. Now, what can go wrong? What can go wrong with this picture? Well, deforestation is an issue. In fact, it is the issue of the Amazon rainforest. What's going on is, in the past year, there's been a 29% increase in deforestation of the Amazon, to the point now where only 87% of the Amazon rainforest currently survives. And in fact, there are almost 800 endangered species in the Amazon region, and 6% of all the species have gone extinct. Now, why did this happen? Well, one of the answers is agriculture. Another is cattle ranching. Another is dams. They're damming up significant portions of rivers in the Amazon to provide hydroelectric electricity for a burgeoning Brazilian economy. Now, a big driver of the deforestation in terms of agriculture is soy, the planting of soy. And that kind of shows the relationship between all parts of the globe in the sustainability of the earth. That relationship, for example, in the United States, we have turned to corn instead of soy. We used to grow by far the world's largest amount of soy. Well, now we're planting corn where soy was, because we are developing biofuels from corn, mainly ethanol. And so the soy production has moved to the Amazon, and hence deforestation. In terms of the globe, it is forecast that as the population of the Earth grows from 7 billion to a projected 9 billion in the year 2050, that industrial production will grow by 500%. And in order for that to happen, more electrical power is needed. And Brazil is one of those growing economies. Now, our encyclopedia covers these sustainability issues from a science and engineering viewpoint. We give all the science and engineering and data needed, and we're continually updating this to evaluate and change the issues of sustainability in the Amazon. Some of our sections that are directly related, we have a biodiversity section called ecological systems. We have pollution and pollution control sections, section on water technology, section on forests, agriculture, animal husbandry, and so on, directly related to the problems here. Now, we're continually updating our encyclopedia online so that you, the college students and university students, professors, practicing professionals, government people can use this information to help to mitigate and propagate the sustainability of the earth. And we hope that you appreciate our efforts and use our encyclopedic treatment, both in its print form and in its online form. Our team consists of over 700 scientists. 19 people on our board. They're all Nobel laureates or very well-known scientists. We have 42 section editors. We have over 700 authors and growing. So take a look at the Amazon rainforest. I hope that we can maintain it and replace the 13% that has been deforested.